Hey, my name's Justin, and this is The Art of Repair. And today is a very, very special day. And it's not special because it's cold and rainy. It's special because we're starting the European tour. We're out here again, we're in the field, we're visiting shops here in the Netherlands, having a good old time. And guess what? Today we are visiting Repair It Now. We are visiting another shop in the European Netherlands today. We are in Almelo. It's a repair facility. We got everything here. I'll be honest, like I said, this is a very, very impressive location inside and outside. What did you expect today and what did you receive?
What did we expect today? To learn a bit more how to get things organized actually, and how to deal with some difficult things in our dealing with customers and also getting repairs done at the same time.
And how was after we kind of spoke for a while, do you feel like you got a lot of your questions answered, or?
Yes.
Okay, so what I expected was it was more about the video that you are going to make.
And tell them in Dutch. Okay. Tell them in Dutch.
Echt oprechte interesse en oprecht advies over voor alles.